Hey there! Did you know that starting your day with mindfulness can lead to stronger relationships and a more successful day? Stick around as we explore how morning mindfulness can transform your daily interactions and productivity. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the transformative power of mindfulness in our daily lives. Today, we're focusing on how incorporating mindfulness into your morning routine can have a profound impact on your relationships and overall success. Many of us rush through our mornings, barely taking a moment to pause and breathe. This lack of mindfulness can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and missed opportunities throughout the day. Have you ever found yourself snapping at your partner or colleague because you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Or perhaps you've struggled to stay focused and productive amidst a chaotic morning routine. But fear not. The good news is that mindfulness offers a solution to these common challenges. By practicing mindfulness in the morning, you can cultivate a sense of calm, clarity, and intentionality that sets the tone for the rest of the day. So what exactly does morning mindfulness look like? Firstly, consider starting your day with a simple mindfulness meditation or breathing exercise. This can help you center yourself and approach the day with a clear mind and open heart. Next, try incorporating mindfulness into everyday activities such as brushing your teeth or making breakfast. Pay attention to each sensation and experience fully, without judgment or distraction. Another powerful mindfulness technique is gratitude practice. Take a moment each morning to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Whether it's your loved ones, your health, or simply the opportunity to experience another day. Let me share a personal anecdote with you. Recently, I found myself in a heated argument with a colleague during a stressful morning at work. Instead of reacting impulsively, I took a moment to pause, breathe, and approach the situation with mindfulness. By practicing active listening and empathy, I was able to de-escalate the conflict and find a mutually beneficial solution. This experience taught me the power of mindfulness in transforming challenging situations into opportunities for growth and connection. In summary, morning mindfulness is not just a luxury. It's a necessity for cultivating stronger relationships and a more successful day. By taking the time to center yourself, practice gratitude, and approach each interaction with mindfulness, you can create a positive ripple effect that extends far beyond the morning hours. I encourage you to try incorporating morning mindfulness techniques into your daily routine and see how they impact your relationships and productivity. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mindfulness tips and relationship advice. Together, let's start each day with intentionality and presence.